Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Authorize Net Events, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you understand the concept of events in Authorize Net and how to use them effectively. First, it is essential to understand what Authorize Net is. A popular payment gateway that enables merchants to accept online payments. Authorize Net provides a range of features, including the ability to set up events, which are notifications sent to merchants when specific actions occur. To get started with Authorize Net events, you need to have an Authorize Net account and be familiar with the Authorize Net dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your account activity, including transactions, customer information, and event notifications. There are several types of events in Authorize Net, including payment events, customer events, and subscription events. Payment events occur when a payment is made, such as when a customer makes a purchase or when a recurring payment is processed. Customer events occur when a customer is created or updated, such as when a new customer signs up or when a customer updates their billing information. Subscription events occur when a subscription is created, updated, or canceled. To set up events in Authorize Net, you need to configure the event notifications in the Authorize Net dashboard. This involves specifying the types of events you want to receive notifications for in the URL where the notifications will be sent. You can also customize the event notifications to include specific information, such as the customer name and transaction amount. When an event occurs, Authorize Net sends a notification to the specified URL, which can be used to trigger a response, such as sending an email or updating a database. The notification includes information about the event, such as the event type, customer information, and transaction details. Best practices for using Authorize Net events include setting up multiple event listeners to handle different types of events, using secure protocols to receive event notifications, and testing event notifications to ensure they are working correctly. It is also essential to monitor event notifications regularly to detect any issues or discrepancies. In conclusion, Authorize Net events provide a powerful way to stay informed about activity in your Authorize Net account and to automate responses to specific actions. By understanding the different types of events, configuring event notifications, and using best practices, you can get the most out of Authorize Net events and improve your online payment processing experience.